The Callisto has 4 high-yield ink cartridges: cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. Each cartridge contains Neurolabel's durable aqueous pigment ink. This ink is compatible with a wide range of inkjet-coated substrates. The 3-colored cartridges yield 16,000 standard pages, and the black cartridge yields 35,000 standard pages. To install the Callisto ink cartridges, open the ink door and insert the cartridge in the location indicated by the colored labels. Slide the cartridge into its track and push the cartridge straight into the printer until it clicks into place. After all 4 cartridges are installed, close the ink door. Once the "Door Open" message is no longer on the screen, the printer will indicate "Printer Ready." To remove the Callisto ink cartridges, open the ink door and press on the face of the cartridge. You should gently press the cartridge into the printer until you hear a click. Once the cartridge clicks, it is unlocked and ready to be removed by pulling forward straight out of the printer along its track. Perform this action for any cartridge that needs replacement or removal. Install and remove cartridges only when the printer is not printing. Opening the printer door during a print will disrupt printing and cancel the print job. If an ink cartridge needs to be changed during printing, the printer will automatically pause the job and an alert will appear in the printer operator panel. Follow the prompts on the panel to change the ink. Once the printer has accepted the new ink cartridge, it will continue the current job. Contact support or visit the Callisto support library if you require additional assistance.